Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to stop the X, formerly known as Twitter, app, from automatically downloading files on your PC after the latest update. If you've noticed that things are downloading without your permission, this quick guide will help you take back control of your browser and privacy settings in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open the Twitter app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can easily access the settings. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small dots. That's your options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open up more settings and controls. Next, from the drop-down list, select Privacy. This is where you can manage how the app interacts with your personal data and device. Inside the Privacy menu, find and click on Manage Privacy Settings. This section gives you access to deeper controls, including permissions that affect your browser's behavior. Once you're in the privacy management area, scroll until you find permissions for this site. This page is key because it lets you decide what the Twitter app can and cannot do on your computer. Now, look for the option labeled Automatic Downloads. To stop the app from downloading files or media content without your input, simply choose Block next to it. By doing this, you'll prevent any automatic downloads from starting unless you personally approve them. That's it. You've successfully turned off automatic downloads for the X app on your PC. From now on, your computer will only download files when you decide to, giving you more control over your storage space, data, and security. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Stay tuned for more tutorials on privacy, safety, and smarter browsing tips to make your online experience better and more secure.